mean, I always found it hilarious, well, slightly worrying that an industry, there's an industry, the insurance industry, and they call these claims losses, which tells you quite a lot, doesn't it? Right? I mean, imagine if when Coca-Cola sold a bottle of Coke, they referred to that as a loss. That the whole purpose is that you buy something you can drink. So the whole purpose of insurance is that when something bad happens, you're supposed to get some money, and the industry calls that a loss. Right? Don't I mean that kind of says quite a lot, right? It's like, why don't we call it like service delivery or execution of contract, or I don't know, like there's so many different things, but like the whole mentality is one of like, how do I avoid not standing by the contract, not paying up? How do I find a way out of this, right? Because it's a loss. So, right from the outset, microinsure, I mean, we set microinsure up, and of course, microinsure is now the microinsurance company. So, when we started working in this space, the idea was to say, look, insurance companies have been around for decades. 97% of the population don't have insurance. So clearly something's wrong. Something is broken. So let us work out what is broken, and then let us find a solution to that problem, and try and fix it. And if we can then find a solution, and I believe, a lot of that was around things like, okay, how do we come up with really, really simple products that can be explained in a single text message? How do we remove friction from the customer journey? So how do we make it super easy to sign up? How do we make it super easy to pay? How do we make it super easy to make a claim? And then the final piece, of course, is, as I said, is getting the claims paid quickly.